The old man sat on the bench, watching the children play. He smiled as he remembered a time when he was young and carefree, just like them. But those days were long gone, and now he was old and alone. The children didn't seem to notice him. They were too busy running and laughing and playing. But the old man didn't mind. He was content to just sit and watch them, and remember a time when he was young. After a while, the children started to get tired. They sat down on the grass and started to talk. The old man listened to their conversation, and he smiled. They were talking about their dreams for the future. The old man thought about his own dreams. He had had many dreams in his life, but most of them had not come true. But that was okay. He had learned that it was more important to enjoy the journey than to reach the destination. The children eventually went home, and the old man was left alone again. But he didn't mind. He had had a good day. He had watched the children play, and he had remembered a time when he was young. And that was enough for him. The old man closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He could smell the flowers in the air, and he could hear the birds singing in the trees. It was a beautiful day, and he was content. He opened his eyes and looked around. The sun was setting, and the sky was ablaze with color. It was a beautiful sight, and the old man smiled. He was glad to be alive. He stood up and started to walk home. As he walked, he thought about the children. He hoped that they would never forget the joy of being young. And he hoped that they would always have dreams for the future. The old man reached his home and went inside. He was tired, but he was also content. He had had a good day. He had watched the children play, and he had remembered a time when he was young. And that was enough for him.